Hi, I'm Adrien Barthel. I'm the co-founder and chief growth officer of Sleek. So Sleek is a company that developed a platform on which you can incorporate a company and manage everything that's actually time-consuming and admin related, such as company secretary, governance, and accounting and tax. So basically, everything started out of a massive frustration that I experienced as a client of company secretaries and accountants. I was in the e-commerce space before, and I was really a customer-obsessed person. And I realized that actually in that industry, they were not customer-obsessed at all, which for me was a massive issue. I was frustrated because of the non-transparency, the absence of technology, and of course, an inefficient service. So instead of being too French and just complain, I decided to actually build my own solution. And this is how we came up with Sleek. So it all started in 2017 when actually my co-founder and I, we left our jobs and we started to interview tech companies. All of the guys that we actually interviewed to do our marketing survey, they actually came on board. So that's actually when we realized that we were solving a great pain point that was causing a lot of troubles to a lot of companies. And actually I'd say that yes, from the very beginning, because the problem that we target is so basic and so general, a lot of people started to call us and to actually reach out to us, and we started to onboard a lot of startups at the very beginning, and then came SMEs, and then a lot of investment vehicles for private equity firms, family offices, banks, and much bigger entities, groups, and multinationals that actually were interested by what we were doing and decided to actually engage us to manage our entities in Singapore and now in Hong Kong. For our third anniversary, we started to look at the huge amounts of data that we had in our data warehouse, and we were like, okay, how can we tell a fun story about whatever we're building? And this is where we realized that actually we were digitizing an entire industry that before was known as paperwork and admin. So just for the record, so if you were to sum all the resolutions that we had, people to sign using our digital signature solution, Sleek Sign, it's a 33-kilometer long piece of paper, and also we digitize 2.9 tons per year of mail that our clients are receiving at our address. So that's on the infographic. The 2.9 tons of paper are equivalent to an adult. It's a normal-sized elephant from Africa. So the really cool thing about Sleek is that every morning when I wake up, I just have tons of emails from entrepreneurs from all over the globe that actually come to us for numbers of reasons. And of course, we have some really cool projects that we assist, such as, for instance, we have the #1 producer of dry fruits from Uzbekistan that actually incorporated a company with us. We have the leading ferry company from Lithuania that opened an entity here in Hong Kong for some purchasing. We have the leading vanilla producer from Madagascar that we actually connected to a Vietnamese spice importer. So Sleek is also, yes, an enabler in terms of business. So we connect our community, our members, our clients to actually try to do some business matching, and it actually works. So basically it all starts with the regulatory framework of a country. So Hong Kong and Singapore do allow the use of digital signature. Therefore, we were in a position to be able to deploy our workflows, our technology. But it's primarily starting from the framework that actually allows us to exist or not. And then after, we are able to expand into new kinds of services. I was very scared when it actually all fell on us. So in Hong Kong first and then in Singapore, because everybody was working from home. But thanks to the amazing team that we had, really the productivity, and everybody was super concerned. So actually we did not have any down in productivity. COVID facilitated our message in the sense that we believe in digitization of admin functions, accounting, and compliance management. And we believe that anybody should be able to incorporate a company in Singapore, in Hong Kong, and also elsewhere through the use of technology. And it's our mission to actually make it seamless and super efficient and super easy for everyone.